Did you know that many of the pills we take every day were never designed to cure us, only to manage our symptoms? While billions are spent on prescription drugs, nature has quietly kept the real medicine hidden in plain sight. And today, we're going to uncover 7 powerful natural remedies Big Pharma Docent Tea want you to know about. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your trusted place for truth, healing, and natural health. Here to share something that could change the way you see medicine forever. For decades, pharmaceutical companies have focused on creating drugs that treat symptoms, not causes. Why? Because a cured patient is no longer a paying customer. But the good news is this: nature has already provided powerful, proven remedies that can help the body heal itself without toxic side effects, without addiction, and without draining your wallet. Let's explore 7 of the most powerful natural healing remedies, backed by science, supported by tradition, and hidden in plain sight. 1. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric, or more specifically its active compound curcumin, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory substances on Earth. While pharmaceutical companies make billions selling anti-inflammatory drugs that can harm your liver or stomach, turmeric helps naturally reduce inflammation safely. Studies show that curcumin can help with arthritis, joint pain, depression, even brain health. To activate its full power, combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper and a source of healthy fat, like olive oil or coconut oil. Tip: drink golden milk, a mix of turmeric, black pepper, and warm almond milk, before bed for better sleep and deep body repair. 2. Ginger, nature's painkiller and digestion booster. Before painkillers existed, our ancestors used ginger. It reduces nausea, helps digestion, lowers inflammation, and even improves blood sugar control. Studies have shown that ginger can relieve menstrual pain and muscle soreness as effectively as some prescription pain drugs without side effects. Tip: start your day with a cup of warm ginger tea with lemon and honey. Cleanses your body, boosts metabolism, and strengthens your immunity naturally. 3. Garlic, the natural antibiotic. Big Pharma sells antibiotics that can weaken your gut and immune system. Garlic, on the other hand, is a natural antibiotic that strengthens them both. It kills harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, while leaving beneficial gut bacteria unharmed. Garlic can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and protect your heart, something that no single pill can do safely over the long term. Tip: crush raw garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating. This activates allicin, the compound responsible for its healing power. 4. Green tea, the detox miracle. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins that protect your cells, fight cancer, and support brain health. It helps burn fat, balance hormones, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pharmaceutical companies have turned these compounds into expensive fat-burning pills, but nature gave them to us in a simple leaf. Tip: drink 2 to 3 cups of pure green tea daily. Avoid sugar or artificial sweeteners, just pure clean tea. 5. Raw honey, nature's medicine cabinet. Raw honey is not just a sweetener, it's a natural healer. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It soothes coughs, heals wounds, and strengthens the immune system. Drug companies create dozens of synthetic cough syrups and wound creams, but none match the power of pure raw honey. Tip: use a teaspoon of raw honey with warm water and lemon each morning to soothe your throat and boost energy. Always choose raw and unfiltered honey. Processed honey loses most of its healing power. 6. Omega-3 South, the brain and heart protector. While drug companies push antidepressants and heart medications, omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish work naturally to protect your brain and heart. They reduce depression, anxiety, inflammation, and support brain function. Tip: eat wild-caught salmon or a tablespoon of ground flaxseed daily. This simple habit can balance your mood and lower your risk of heart disease naturally. 7. Aloe vera, the plant of immortality. Ancient Egyptians called aloe vera the plant of immortality. It soothes the skin, heals wounds, aids digestion, and detoxifies the body. Drug companies have copied many of its benefits into expensive creams and gels, but pure aloe vera does it naturally. Tip: Drink a small shot of pure aloe vera juice before meals to heal your gut and improve digestion. Apply its gel to burns or skin irritation for instant relief. Why Big Pharma doesn't want you to know this? Because natural remedies can't be patented. They can't be turned into billion-dollar products. When you use turmeric instead of painkillers or garlic instead of antibiotics, you become less dependent on the system and more connected to nature. That is the secret Big Pharma, dose and tea, wants you to see. Your body is designed to heal itself when given the right tools. The power of natural healing, let's be clear, modern medicine has its place. If you're sick, never stop prescribed medication without medical advice. But remember this truth: medicine should complement nature, not replace it. You have the power to make small, natural choices every day that can prevent disease before it starts. Food is medicine. Lifestyle is medicine. Healing begins with awareness and action. It's motivational ending, so today, promise yourself this. Don't let fear, ads, or quick fixes control your health. Start trusting your body. Start trusting nature. Because every time you choose real food, fresh air, clean water, sunlight, and peace of mind, you're saying no to dependency and yes to freedom. Your health is your wealth, and nature has already given you everything you need to live strong, long, and free. Stay curious. Stay natural. And as always, take care of your health, because no one else will do it for you.